Okay.
Yeah.
Dang, you did start to sweat.
I know. I told you.
Towards me. This will probably feel good. All the way out.
Ooh.
One more. Good. Slide up to the top. You're stuck. There you go.
It's okay. I don't have the extensions anymore.
It's not all over the place.
No. Oh.
Feel good?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Did you get those?